Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, and I have got my very bright blue contacts. These are the Innocent White contacts by Desio, and my hair is quite warm, so I'm going to dye my hair because I'm going to the NYX Face Awards tonight. I think it's going to start in maybe 2-3 hours, and I just need to quickly deal with this gingery mess. Not that there's anything wrong with gingers, it's just I don't like it on me. But yeah, I'm gonna sort this out so we can finally head out. Hey guys, so we're now in the car and my partner and I are going to go to the post office first. I've got to collect some mail, and then my partner's gonna drop me off at Luna Park. That's where Face Awards is this evening. There were a couple of people that I didn't know they were going, and I just got so excited when I saw them on Instagram stories that they were going. So hopefully I get to catch up with every single one of them. I'm not entirely sure what time the actual ceremony is going to start, but the invite said like from 4:30 till about 8:30, 9 o'clock. It's almost 5, but I don't think a lot of my friends are there yet, so we'll be fine, we'll be fine. Hi guys, so we're now at St Kilda and Luna Park is just right there. I'm going to see if I can find anyone that I know so I can go in with them. I think Ali and AJ are on their way. Sorry, it's really windy, I'm trying to block the wind out. Hopefully I can go in with them because I'm really awkward at going to these things alone. Alright guys, here we are at Luna Park and I'm just waiting for AJ and Ali, and then we'll go in there. So I think there's like a little NYX thing over there which I will approach them later. I need to wait for the others first. Alright, I've met people. It's Ali.
Hey!
And then AJ and Luke are just over there. Of course, taking photos. So this is like my first time in a Luna Park. So I think we found the building, so let's go.
So this year's NYX Face Awards winner of 2018 is Courtney.
Hi guys, so we're now at McDonald's, NYX Face Awards, all done. So happy, such an amazing event. We're going to have some McDonald's and then I'm going to head home. So Ali's right next to me. We're going to go into the city and then
look like such big.
Yes, we are. But we're going to go into the city later together and then I'll head home. Okay, fast forward to Monday. So, let's see what happened after Face Awards. We had chicken nuggets and we had a lot of fun just catching up. So good to see everyone, first of all. Haven't seen my friends in probably 2 months. I've just been really busy, and it is quite sad that, you know, events like this are the only times I really get to see them that often. I think we really need to organize a time where we just hang out, just us, and not working. Now, all of us consider going to events as working, like we do have fun and stuff, but we're essentially representing our own brands, and you know, we still have to behave. I mean, not that I don't behave outside, but you know what I mean, like you have to put your best professional face forward. After that was Ali, AJ's sister-in-law and I went into the city. Oh, Kat and Simon, sorry, as well. We were all on the same tram, but Kat and Simon had to go somewhere else. And then we basically just went our separate ways once we got to Flinders Street and I got home. I didn't really think I was that drunk. I felt like I was fine. But then a few hours later I got really hungry, so I reheated some of the leftover food that I had in the fridge, and then the next day, oh girl, let me tell you. The next day, Sunday, I felt okay when I woke up. I woke up like around 9, 10, you know, like a decent time. Woke up, did some housework, and then I sat down on the lounge and I felt absolutely fine. I only had like 3 drinks, I think, the night before, but I didn't really eat anything. I think that was the key thing. I did not eat much while I was drinking. And as soon as I sat down, I started to feel like all the energy in my body started to get zapped out, and then it hit me. I have this horrible headache. I must be hungover, and I don't get hungover that often because I don't drink that often. So yeah, that was an experience. I basically sat on the lounge pretty much until the evening, until I started to feel better. You know, I'd get up, go to the toilet, have food and stuff, but you know, I just felt like I wasn't myself. But you know, as much as I felt like crap, I still enjoyed myself, so I didn't regret that, and I was just glad that I didn't have much to do on Sunday. And then Monday, now I've been trying this new thing out on Mondays, like when I go to work. Not that there's anything wrong, but I just feel like I could be happier and just preppier when I go to work. So I always try and, like on Mondays, try to have this energy of just being happy and just being very energetic, so that, you know, I put out positive vibes out there and the universe will give me back positive vibes. Like, I've always seen that work for me, so I tried that. But today was just not one of those days. Went in with a smile and just being very positive, but unfortunately a lot of things were just happening, and a lot of frustrating and negative things were happening at work. Like, nothing major or anything, it's just a lot of annoyances and just things not working out, and it just really frustrated me, and I was trying to keep in that positive mindset, but I think I failed. This evening, like when I got home, I was just in a cranky mood, and you know, it wasn't really necessarily anyone's fault. It was just like a whole like all things coming together and just making this really frustrating situation. But I'm over it. I've had a shower, had dinner, and I'm over it. So this is the bag. So first thing is this palette. This one is the Perfect Filter eyeshadow palette. I don't know if you guys can see the color tones. Let me try and tilt it. There you go. Now the next palette is this one. This one is the Sweet Cheeks Blush Adorable. Wait, that's French. Anyway. That's what the palette looks like. This was actually in Simon's goodie bag, but he doesn't really wear makeup as much as I do. So he said like, oh, you can have it if you want. And I was like, okay, yeah, I don't really have that many NYX blushes. I do have a couple, but they're all sort of like this pinky tone, and I just want to try like a new orangey tone. I feel like I need to experiment a bit more. We've got this one from L'Oreal. This one is the Colorista Wash Out Pastel 1 Week Dirty Pink Hair. I think this is the actual color that I used to use as well. Like when I had pink hair, I was alternating between this and the Schwarzkopf one, and this one was really cute. I don't think I can dye my hair neon colors at this point. I don't feel like my work is going to appreciate it, but who knows, you never know. I mean, I do miss pink hair, don't get me wrong. I loved pink hair, but it was so high maintenance, and I don't know if I guys told you, I'm actually not really trying to bleach my hair as much. I still bleach it to get this sort of like nice brown color, but I'm not bleaching it as much because I'm trying to grow it back healthy, so that, you know, when the wedding comes, whenever it comes, I can have like freshly bleached hair and it looks nice and not just raggedy, because that's what I've experienced with my hair. Like, it's just gotten really bad. Like the texture's gotten really bad, and it's gotten really thin over the years because I've bleached it so much. So I'm trying to limit the amount of bleaching and amount of colouring that I do, and I think it's working. I've been doing it for like the last 3 months, and I definitely feel a difference in my hair. Anyway, going back to the goodie bag. Oh, I've got 2 of these. I think Simon gave me his as well. This one is an eyeshadow primer, I believe. Yes, waterproof eyeshadow primer. So I've got 2 of them. We've got a couple of these sort of like crayons. Let me just chip it out, might be easier. Ooh, so we've got this pure charcoal tissue mask from Garnier. I have tried this one out and I actually did enjoy it. These things are quite hydrating. Like the Garnier skin masks in general, they're really, really good, and they have a huge amount of, and they have a lot of serum in there as well. So if you guys are like me and you like to save that serum, you can definitely use this again. Ooh, are these, do you think these are, oh no, these are blushes. I think they were pigment. Very, very bright. I don't know if you guys can see that. That one looks gorgeous. Ooh, Lip of the day. How do you use this? I thought this was, oh wow. That is cute. Can you guys see that? That is cute. Don't know if I could. Maybe I should. Maybe try and do a look like that. And then Garnier Micellar Water Micellar, however you like to pronounce it. These things are always really handy to have. We've got a mascara. This one is the Pin Up Tease Individual Curl Mascara. And we've got a couple of these sort of like crayon type lippies, and they're Simply Pink lippies. Oh, I think these are the ones that are very trippy. Once you put it on, it looks different, so I'll let you guys know. Oh, there's also this one. Yeah, I think these are the really trippy ones. I'm not really sure. I will let you guys know once I actually try them. And then we've got a couple of the Lip Suede lippies. Yes, I do like the finish of the Lip Suedes, I have to say. I like that colour. I might try and do sort of like a grunge look. I haven't done a grunge look in quite some time. I'm feeling extra smoky and grunge at the moment, so maybe that and that combined together for an ombre lip. I don't know. Okay, that's pretty much the haul, guys. And yeah, someone asked me this, like, how did you get to where you were? Like, how did you get PR and stuff? And I think it's definitely a video that I should make, because I don't think a lot of people ever talk about this. Not necessarily share industry secrets, but sort of like just share my thoughts and opinions and my experiences when it comes to PR and stuff. I think a lot of people just think it's just glamorous and everything, and it is, but there is things that come with it as well. I'm actually really thankful that I've reached this point where I can just, you know, try out different products, and brands just trust me with trying out the products to give them my honest opinions and to share my opinions with you guys. And it's all because of you guys. Now I'm feeling a little bit emotional, I suppose, because I'm almost at 11,000 as well. By the time you guys watch this, hopefully I've already hit 11,000, but at this point in time I think I'm like 49 followers off 11,000. And yeah, I just didn't really think I would hit 10,000 this year, and then all of a sudden, like, I'm getting close to 11, and it's just been a whirlwind. Like, a lot of things have been happening. It's such a whirlwind, and I'm just very, very appreciative for each and one of you guys for helping me get to where I am, essentially. Anyway, that's pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comment box down below if you guys have watched Face Awards Australia. Did you watch it on their live thing on Instagram? Because girl, that was fun. Anyway, that's pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.